Hey guys, this is my incubator here. I got a lot of eggs in here, so I'm going to take a check inside. I'm hearing some chirping, so they're getting ready to hatch. I have about 150 to 160 chicks in here and a couple of quail eggs. So we'll let that straighten up real quick. That's the inside there. We got 3 trays of eggs. The bottom tray and the top tray should be hatching next week. This tray should be hatching this week, or today, actually. And there's some chirping going on. Here we got some quail eggs. Anyways, these are quail. I got some brown chicken eggs here, chicken layers. These are called Batnums or something like that. It's a smaller chicken. There's these eggs here that are a little bit smaller than the others. But it's all getting ready to happen. Just trying to see if I can find one that started for you. But we'll keep on checking them.